We're going to be talking about how to model real-life data, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the graphing calculator for this. So I will also record a video on how to do this with the computer, so Desmos or a spreadsheet or something like that. But this video will only focus on using the graphing calculator. So the first thing we have to decide is what kind of function our graph is going to be. So the first thing we're going to have to do is look at a scatter plot of the data. So I want you to think, what kind of equation would we need for each of these? So I hope you would say this looks kind of like a quadratic. So I'd probably need a quadratic. It's going to be an x squared. The second one kind of turns twice. That looks like it could be almost cubic. And I think the last one almost looks like a line, so it could be linear. When we're modeling data using the graphing calculator, we're going to be inputting the x values into list L1 under Stat Edit and the y values into L2. Then we're going to be looking at their plots. So let's just start there. So the first set of data, and thank goodness I've got it on a separate page here, is given here. And we're going to have to decide how we're going to be putting this into the graphing calculator. But the first thing I want to talk about is, I don't think I really want to put in 2000, blah, 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 blah. So let's let x be the number of years after 2000. So this would really be year 0, year 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. That's going to make the numbers a little bit easier to work with. So again, the instructions say that we are going to go under Stat, and we're going to Edit. So L1 is my x values. Those are going to be my years. 0, enter, 10, enter, 20, enter, 30, 40, and 50. Now in L2, I'm going to be putting those y values. So 6.08, 6.82, 7.52, and 8.18, 8.72, and then 9.19. The first thing we want to look at is the scatter plot. Just like there, we need to know what we're dealing with. So we need to turn on plot 1 in the Y menu. The first thing I'm going to do is go into Y equals and clear out anything else. And do you see where it says plot 1 up at the top? I'm going to go up arrow and hit plot 1. Hold on just a second.